Hello, this video brought to you by Sankran. Visualforce Beyond Basics. Build own alert box. What is alert box? In browser context or in any Windows application, there's something called alert box, which is which behaves as like a blocking box and displays the message to the user so that user can't take any other action apart from responding to that message. In standard Salesforce component, there is no way of doing it, so we need to build a custom one. And I've seen developers using some other ways, using JavaScript libraries like jQuery, Backbone, or sometimes using frameworks. That's all possible, but it's simply a overhead for such simple functionality. So as far as possible, I would suggest developers use most of the functionalities from Visualforce and possibly a little CSS and possibly a little JavaScript should fine. And it's really not required to use very rich that third party or framework without digging a little bit in basics. So I would what I have done here is I've built using standard JavaScript. Um, the as per the proper architecture in Visualforce, the first reusable thing apply you need to apply is to build a component so that it could be used in any page. That's what I have done the same. I've built a component called alert box. This is a code for it. It accepts a string, as most of you guys would have imagined. We need to pass value. The value is nothing but the message. It's getting displayed to the user. So that's all. It's simple component, and let's see how to use them in the page. In the page, it's the usage is very simple. All you need to do is include the component with pass the value attribute, just the message, and give them an ID attribute, ID value. Then in the context of the page life cycle, whenever you want to display the alert box, all you need to do is uh, use the same ID in the re-render attribute wherever it's used. Normally, it's used in all action functions like command button, command link, action support, action polar, action function. All those Visualforce tags accept re-render. So in all those cases, you can use it. Another beauty is you can use it with comma separated values. So if you, for example, for this button, if you want to display both alert box, you can mention the attribute ID name with a comma separator. So my alert box comma my alert box 2 will display both alert boxes. So it's quite handy to display more than one alert box. But if you have written in JavaScript here, it looks a little messy and it needs more lines of code. So it's very simple. And the screenshot, it looks like this. It will show two buttons, and when user clicks it, it will show. It's simple, isn't it? And like I said, it's not only for button click event. You can configure this for link click event. You can configure this for action support. You can configure this for action polar. You can configure this for action function, which runs through JavaScript. So that will be very handy feature which gets called from action function. I use that all the time in so many projects. So I hope you guys also benefit from this. Don't forget to like this video and provide your comments or feedbacks below. If you like this video and want to share with friends, please share them. And if you want to notify about my future videos, please subscribe below. Thank you.